All right, y'all, so it's official. I finally got it home. My dream bike's sitting right behind me, the Suzuki GSX-8R. I love this thing a lot. Haven't put really any miles on it, but I got the demo one last year, put a whole bunch of miles on that one. It's just an awesome bike. So I'm about to start tearing this thing apart with a whole 4 miles on it. I'm getting all the hard stuff off first because I'm taking it in for powder coating Monday or Tuesday. Big things I got to do is I got to get the wheels off. Those are going to get powder coated white. Then everything that's gray, like my rear sets here, my engine and stator cover, my rear subframe, these little pegs here, brake lever, basically everything that's gray is going to be black to match the frame. And then the wheels are going to be white and the body's going to be blue and green. Plus I got a nice stack of parts sitting over here that's going to go on while this is all happening. So I've got the Akrapovic exhaust. I've got the Yoshimura tail tidy. I'm probably going to switch that out for a TST though. I really like this new thing they came out with where they put the lights right in the body. I've got a solo seat that'll get painted to match. I've got a helmet that'll get painted to match. I've got Puig frame sliders, and I've got a Puig blacked out windscreen that should be here probably around the middle of the month. So should be here in time to get everything done. I'm going to dig into it now and get as much as I can done tonight. Oh, come on. That's what I get for not charging. Monster of a fender, good Lord. Ooh. Feel that snap in the fingers. There you go. Not gonna lie to y'all folks, looking at all this together now, getting mildly nervous about pulling this. This would be a lot easier if they would have just made this black from the factory like it should be. There's not a single one of these that black wouldn't look better on. There you are. Ooh, that needs to come on. Now that the scariest part is over, move on to the easy stuff and start taking fairings off. All right, so now the 8R is completely disassembled. All the fairings are off, all the metals are off, so the engine cover, stator cover, rear sets, the passenger pegs, basically everything that was gray, the subframe, all that's come off. Getting all that powder coated white, the wheel or black, that's all getting powder coated black, and the wheels are getting powder coated white. And I decided to leave the tank on because I can paint with it on there, and it starts to turn into a little bit of a nightmare trying to unhook stuff, and I decided this will just be easier. So I'm gonna leave that on there. Start peeling stuff and sanding stuff real soon. I get to go look at my spray out cards tomorrow, which by the time this will be up, that'll have already happened. But pretty excited about it to get this thing really moving. Also just a little bit terrified, but we're in it too deep now.